What is the function of a flywheel in an engine? Answer: to store energy and smooth out the power delivery. What is the principle behind the operation of a hydraulic jack? Answer: Pascal's law, which states that pressure exerted anywhere in a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions throughout the fluid. What is the purpose of a governor in an engine? Answer: to regulate the speed of the engine by controlling the flow of fuel or air. Civil. What is the purpose of a bearing capacity test in soil mechanics? Answer: to determine the maximum load that the soil can support without failure. What is the difference between a beam and a column in structural engineering? Answer: a beam carries loads perpendicular to its length, while a column carries loads primarily in compression along its length. What is the role of cement in concrete? Answer: cement acts as a binder, holding the aggregates together to form a solid mass. Electronics. What is the function of a diode in a circuit? Answer: to allow current to flow in one direction while blocking it in the opposite direction. What is the difference between analog and digital signals? Answer: analog signals are continuous and can take any value within a range, while digital signals are discrete and can only take specific values. What is the purpose of a capacitor in an electronic circuit? Answer: to store and release electrical energy. Computer. What is the purpose of an operating system? Answer: to manage the hardware and software resources of a computer system. What is the difference between RAM and ROM? Answer: RAM, random access memory, is volatile memory used for temporary storage, while ROM, read-only memory, is non-volatile memory used for permanent storage. What is a compiler? Answer: a compiler is a program that translates source code written in a high-level programming language into machine code that can be executed by a computer. Mathematics. What is the value of pi symbol, to 2 decimal places? Answer: 3.14. What is the formula for calculating the area of a circle? Answer: A equals pi r caret 2. What is the difference between permutation and combination? Answer: permutation refers to the arrangement of objects in a specific order, while combination refers to the selection of objects without considering the order. General quiz. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Answer: Narendra Modi. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer: Mars. Who wrote the famous novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Answer: Harper Lee. Reasoning. If all cats can climb trees and Fluffy is a cat, can Fluffy climb trees? Answer: yes, based on the premise that all cats can climb trees. If some birds can fly and Tweety is a bird, can Tweety fly? Answer: not necessarily, as the premise only states that some birds can fly, not all. What is the function of a gearbox in an automobile? Answer: to change the speed and torque of the vehicle according to the driver's requirements. What is the difference between a centrifugal pump and a reciprocating pump? Answer: a centrifugal pump uses rotating impellers to move fluid, while a reciprocating pump uses pistons to create pressure. What is the purpose of a carburetor in an internal combustion engine? Answer: to mix air and fuel in the correct ratio for combustion. Civil. What is the role of a surveyor in civil engineering projects? Answer: to measure and map the land, ensuring accurate construction and alignment of structures. What is the function of reinforcement in reinforced concrete? Answer: to increase the tensile strength of concrete and prevent cracking under load. What is the difference between a beam bridge and a truss bridge? Answer: a beam bridge uses horizontal beams supported by piers, while a truss bridge uses a framework of connected triangles for support. Electronics. What is the purpose of a transistor in an electronic circuit? Answer: to amplify or switch electronic signals. What is the difference between analog and digital communication? Answer: analog communication uses continuous signals, while digital communication uses discrete signals. What is the function of an amplifier in a sound system? Answer: to increase the amplitude of audio signals for better sound quality and volume. Computer: what is the difference between a compiler and an interpreter? Answer: a compiler translates the entire source code into machine code before execution, while an interpreter translates and executes each line of code one by one. What is the purpose of a graphics card in a computer? Answer: to render and display images, videos, and 3D graphics on a monitor. What is a LAN, local area network? Answer: a LAN is a network that connects computers and devices within a limited geographical area, such as a home, office, or school. Mathematics: what is the formula for calculating the volume of a sphere?
Answer: V, tessera, tria, PR tria.
What is the difference between mean, median, and mode? Answer: the mean is the average of a set of numbers. The median is the middle value when the numbers are arranged in ascending order, and the mode is the value that appears most frequently. What is the Pythagorean theorem? Answer: in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. General quiz: what is the capital of France? Answer: Paris. Who is the author of the Harry Potter book series? Answer: J.K. Rowling. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer: H2O. Reasoning: if all squares are rectangles, are all rectangles squares? Answer: no, because while all squares are rectangles, not all rectangles have equal sides. If some fruits are apples and all apples are red, are all fruits red? Answer: no, because only some fruits are apples and not all fruits are necessarily red. What is the principle behind the functioning of a steam turbine? Answer: steam expands and exerts pressure on turbine blades, causing them to rotate and generate mechanical energy. What is the difference between a two-stroke and a four-stroke engine? Answer: a two-stroke engine completes a power cycle in 2 strokes of the piston, one up, one down, while a four-stroke engine completes it in 4 strokes: intake, compression, power, exhaust. What is the function of a camshaft in an engine? Answer: to control the opening and closing of intake and exhaust valves at precise times during the engine's operation. Civil: what is the significance of the bearing capacity of soil in foundation design? Answer: it determines the maximum load that the soil can support without excessive settlement or failure. What is the difference between a cantilever beam and a simply supported beam? Answer: a cantilever beam is supported at one end, while a simply supported beam is supported at both ends. What is the role of geotextiles in civil engineering projects? Answer: to improve soil stability, drainage, and filtration in various construction applications. Electronics: